Yeah, so if you can tell us about your years as the organist at...
I got fired right away. They said, Kato, you're B flat, but I can C sharp. Hey, go team, go! I do that for when the games start. A lot of times I play the organ for Packer games and for Brewer games. Boy, I don't know if I like the word insane, but I think you have to go with insane fan. Little, not cuckoo's nest, not, you know, McMurphy, but close. I mean, I really follow the game, and I think Craig Counsell's great. I pick on him a lot. I say, fire this guy because of his mistakes. I would mention, you know, the pitcher that's not doing his job. Get rid of him. He's blowing it. This guy doesn't have it, and I've been right. You know, and this is not cocky. I've just been right with this stuff. The bottom part of the order is awful during the year, and now they're coming on strong so far. And that's a hit. That's a hit. I can't watch sporting events with people. I can't. I have to be alone. So I had a friend of mine that was tweeting me like, oh, we got this one during a Packer game when they played Seattle. I go, you just jinxed it. And we lost the game, and I blamed it still to this day on him tweeting. I believe in the jinx. I hate it that I do. I also believe in Joe Buck talking and saying home run all the time. It's I tap the wood to undo his jinx. I hate hearing the word home run. Joe Buck is a jinx. I have to be alone for games because I stand, I don't sit down in the entire game, and I pace back and forth. It's not good for me. I know it's not good for me to go from 6-1 to a 6-5 game knowing we're gonna lose. The anxiety is just awful, but that's what I think every sport fan lives for. So, very good inning, no runs. And now commercial, I can tweet. When I did the Twitter, I started commenting on Brewer games. It was instant, a reaction to it. So I've never done that before. And I know how to, I kind of know how to get under skin of people. But when I tweet, when you mention this, I never say something derogatory about the person as far as what kind of person they are. I'll say about their performance. If they blow, they're vomit. There's puke. I mention that a lot. I go, this is puke. Can't watch this game. Mental mistakes, I go, that's pure vomit. I had you believing. You're less. I had you believing. Look at Milwaukee, how pretty it is. The older I get, I think the more passion I have, because when I do die, I want to see a championship to at least say, yeah, I lived through that. And to people that, 108 years for the Cubs, I don't think a lot of people made it through that to see their Cubs win a World Series. I want to make it through the Brewers making a World Series.